So here's another client case study of how we're using ChatGPT and AI to automatically follow up with leads and turn them into booked appointments right on your calendar. So this client is a successful agent. He specializes out in the Durham area in East Toronto. And he turned to me because he had a huge list of old leads that he had accumulated, thousands of them. And he doesn't have the time to sift and sort, turn over rocks, chase down tire kickers. He's busy taking listings, servicing buyers, and growing his business. Now he's also running ads on Facebook to generate new leads. So I'm helping him reactivate his old leads as well as convert his new leads, completely automated using AI. So I'll walk you through this example. This was a new Facebook lead that just signed up, and the text message that went out said, "Hi Edward, thanks for your interest in Durham homes for sale under 800,000. Are you just browsing or planning on buying a home this year? Looking to rent right now, credit is too low to buy." So then the AI automatically kicked in. "Thank you for sharing that. Renting is a great way to get settled while you work on your credit. Can you tell me what type of property you're hoping to rent? A condo, townhouse, or a detached home?" And he said townhouse. The AI continued the conversation. This is happening automatically. "A townhouse sounds like a comfortable choice. How many bedrooms and bathrooms would you ideally like in your rental?" He said 3 bedrooms, 2 bath. The AI continued. "That gives a clear picture of what you need. Which area or neighborhood are you hoping to rent in?" He said, "Right now I'm in Pickering. Pickering is a lovely area with great options for townhouses. What price range do you feel comfortable with for monthly rent?" He said $2,500. "Thank you, that helps narrow things down. When are you hoping to move into your new place?" So I've programmed this to qualify, make sure that we're working with motivated buyers, sellers, and renters. He said April. "April gives us some time to explore the best options for you. To help you further, I'd like to schedule a quick call with Ashraf so he can get more details and guide you through the next steps. Do you prefer mornings, afternoons, or evenings for a call? I can offer you the earliest availability for each." We're not asking them to schedule a call. We're saying this is the next step. Everybody needs to be led. He said anytime is good. So the way this works is we sync with the agent's Google Calendar so that it reads the availability and only offers available dates and times, so there are no double bookings. And again, this is all happening automatically while the agent is working with other clients. This is leverage. Here are some available times for a call with Ashraf to discuss your townhouse rental search. Today, Monday, February 9th at 2:30, 3 o'clock, 3:30, or tomorrow at 2 p.m. Which of these work best for you? He said 2:30 today is good. So then it automatically scheduled the appointment, relaying the appointment details to the agent so that he can prepare for the call. You're all set for a call with Ashraf today, Monday, February 9th at 2:30 p.m. He'll reach out to you then to discuss your rental needs in Pickering. If you have any questions before the call, just let me know. And then it's going to automatically send several appointment reminders leading up to that phone call, both by text and email, just to make sure he's prepared and is going to be available for that phone call. So there's a powerful example of how we're using conversational AI to automatically turn leads into booked calls with motivated buyers, sellers, and renters. Now, if you're a busy realtor and you've got a ton of incoming lead flow and you don't have an automated way to turn these leads into booked calls, and you're stuck in that speed to lead trap, you've got deals slipping through the cracks because you're not following up in time, or you've got a large lead list that you've accumulated over the years and you don't have the time to sift and sort, chase people down, make Hail Mary phone calls. You're busy running and managing your team and you're looking for a turnkey, done for you solution to take the follow-up off your plate and turn leads into booked calls right on your calendar without lifting a finger. Click the link beneath this video to schedule a quick call where I'd be happy to run you through the system, answer any questions, and see if this is right for you. Now, this is only for agents and team leaders with high lead volume. If you have less than 1,000 leads currently sitting in your database, or you're generating less than 2 to 3 leads a day, this is not right for you. However, if you do fit that criteria, I work with several done-for-you clients every month. So click the link beneath this video and let's connect.